Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today I'll be showing you how you can set up this F998 sound card so that you can connect to your PlayStation. So this sound card comes with these three cables. We have two aux cables, this one, then we have another one which is USB to type C, this one. So let us start to connect. You'll use your condenser mic here, then we'll use remember this cable, USB to type C. So you connect still on OTG to PC live here, then this you'll connect on your console, any port, USB port, like so. So after connecting, then you will need to connect one of aux cable. As you can see, this aux cable, with this cable you will connect it to your, as you can see, we have this here. So you can see this one, any of this, this one, you'll connect any of this here. There, these are for live, this one. Then on the other hand here, this aux cable you connect to your controller, like this controller you connect here on RX this port for mic, this one connected there. Then after connecting, you need this cable if you want to use a background music, this one. You can connect this one if you want to use a background, but if you don't want to use background, you can leave. But for me, if I want to use background music, I connect this one to the accompany port here, there. Then I can connect with my phone if I want to use background music like this. So then remember we have mic here. We have connected mic. Then now guys, on console, go to settings. The setting is over here. Then select it. After selecting, go to devices. We have devices here, there. Just select it. Then go to audio devices there, and then select it. As you can see, let us see. Then go to input devices there. So you can see we have input device. If we select there, you can see we have our USB F998 sound card. So go ahead, if we want to use that, go ahead and select. Then now guys, let's go ahead and change our output device so that we can select our sound card, so that it will be our output device. So remember that we have connected our headset, or maybe you have a earphone. Remember that you are connected, that is an output device. So go ahead on output device, then go ahead and change from whatever it was on before, and select your F998 sound card as your audio output device. So guys, that is how you can connect your sound card. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on my next one.